Good morning, dear children. Today, from the same chapter 1, Growing Plants, we will do some other keywords. Yesterday, we have done germination, seed coat, and cotyledons. Now, we will do some other keywords. So, today's first keyword is dispersal. As you know, the dispersal is the spreading of seeds from their mother plants. Spreading of seed from their mother plants are known as dispersal. But the definition will be the process of scattering the seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. The process of scattering the seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. So, what is dispersal? The process of scattering the seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. I hope you all will write if I repeat a keyword, any keyword 3 times. So our next keyword will be agriculture. This is the next keyword, agriculture. You know, the agriculture is what? Growing of plants, crops, vegetables in the field for the production of food to fulfill the requirement of the humans and animals. This is known as agriculture. So the definition will be agriculture is the practice of growing crops on a large scale for the food or other purposes. So agriculture is what? Agriculture is the practice of growing crops on a large scale for the food or other purposes. One more time I will repeat. Agriculture. Agriculture is the practice of growing crops on a large scale for the food or other purposes. Right? Next. Our next keyword will be crops. Crops, fasal. So when the same kind of plants are grown in a particular area, in a particular season, then the whole plants are known as crops. Like the wheat crops, the rice crop, गेहूं की फसल, rice crop, चावल की फसल. So these are the crops. So according to the definition, plants of one kind grown on a large scale in a particular area during a particular season are called crops. What are crops? So crops, plants of one kind grown on a large scale in a particular area during a particular season are called crops. Plants of one kind grown on a large scale in a particular area during a particular season are called crops. So next one is manures. Manures what? We have discussed. Yes, manures are made by the plants, animals, their dungs, the dry stems, the dry leaves of the plants, the dead remain of the human bodies, animal bodies. So the waste of the animals and humans and the plants. So by the mixture of their waste, we can create the manure, which is very nutritious for the plants. And manures are without the chemicals. They are completely natural. They are completely natural and they never harm our atmosphere. They never harm our plants. Okay, so the definition will be plant and animal waste used for enriching the soil. Enriching, ENRICHING. Enriching, to improve the quality, to provide the nutrient. Adding nutrient. Enriching means the adding nutrients to the soil. The plant and animal waste used for enriching the soil with nutrients are called manures. Okay, children, I hope you all are understanding my explanation in the way I the way I deliver the answers or the keywords. I hope you all will understand better. So the next one, fertilizers. Now the fertilizers are made by the chemicals, and they also used to increase the soil fertility, but they are made up of chemicals. So this is the basic difference between the fertilizers and the manures. So basically, the definition of fertilizers: chemicals or natural substances added to the soil to increase its fertility are called fertilizers. Fertilizers are what? The chemicals or natural substances. Sometimes they may be natural also, but maximum time they are made by the chemicals in the lab, in the factories. Yeah. So chemicals or natural substances added to the soil to increase its fertility are called fertilizers. 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 Children, please do not make spelling mistakes, beta. While writing the keywords question answer in the copy, remember and pay attention not to write incorrect or wrong spellings. Okay. Now the next is Kharif crops. Crops grown from June to October are called Kharif crops. Crops which are grown from June to October are called Kharif crops. You know very well, the Kharif crops are the crops of summer. So all the cereals, all the grains, all the vegetables and fruits which are grown during the summer season are Kharif crops. Whereas the Rabi crops grown from November to April are called Rabi crops. All the plants and vegetables, all the cereals and grains which are grown during November to April are called Rabi crops. Basically, they are winter season crops. Okay. So I hope you all know the Rabi and Kharif crops. Now the plowing. Plowing is what? Yesterday we did a question from the exercise D, the stages of agriculture, in which you have seen the word plowing. Plowing is a method which are used to loosen the soil, so that loosen the soil means sometimes the soil become very hard, the surface of the soil become very harder, so it is difficult to sow the seed inside the hard soil. So first of all the farmers will loosen the soil. This is the first task which are done by the farmers. They have to loosen the soil. वो soil को lose करते हैं उसकी plowing करके, जो कि which are done by the tractors or by the bullocks. So वो tractors के through करते हैं, so that when the soil become loosened, it will be easier to sow the seeds, and the seeds will easily get the air or oxygen. So it is also help in the gaseous exchange. So अगर वो soil जो है वो plow हो गया है वो farm, तो जो seed उसके अंदर गया है उस farm में, उस खेत में, तो seeds को easily oxygen available हो जाएगी. Easily oxygen will go inside the soil, because soil जो है वो loose हो गई है, पहले की तरह stiff and hard नहीं है. So this is the use of plowing. So definition: to dig. Digging means खुदाई करना. To dig and turn over a field with the help of a plow. Plow is an instrument used to for plowing. Plow means हल. तो हल चलाना is plowing, but nowadays it is done by the tractors or machines. So this task become very easier for the farmers, but earlier that was very difficult task, because it is done by the animals and by the farmers. So to dig and turn over a field with the help of a plow, and this process is called plowing. This process is called as plowing. सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ द डेफिनेशन. डिगिंग मीन्स खुदाई करना. सो वो जैसे हम अपने घरों में एक गमले में प्लांट लगाते हैं तो उसको हम उसकी भी डिगिंग करते हैं. गमले की मिट्टी को पलटते हैं जिससे कि गमले की मिट्टी लूजन हो जाती है और वो टर्न कर सकते हैं हम उसको, नीचे की मिट्टी ऊपर एंड ऊपर की मिट्टी नीचे. सो दैट द हेल्प it will be great, it will be good, it become good and we can easily sow the seeds. To dig and turn over a field with the help of a plow, and this process is called plowing. Now the last one, this is irrigation. Irrigation means plant को पानी देना या crops को पानी देना. So to supply water to an area of land through pipes or channels so that crops grow well. So irrigation पानी की सप्लाई. तो गांव में फार्म्स को पानी कैसे पहुंचता है? बाय द पाइप्स एंड बाय द चैनल्स. देयर आर सो मैनी फाइन चैनल्स और वो चैनल्स के थ्रू पानी को ट्यूबवेल और इस तरह के पंप से पानी को पहुंचाते हैं. So to supply, irrigation is supplying water, the process of supplying water to the plant, and it is done by the pipes, through the pipes and channels for the good growth of the plant. If the plants are not getting proper amount of water, the crops become destroyed. So to supply water to an area of land through pipes or channels so that crops grow well. So I hope you all can do this in your classwork copy in a neat and tidy way as I have written the thing in front of you. So I want all the classwork like this. Children, I am not giving any homework because of the class test. So please prepare the question answer and the exercises like the fill-ups, the MCQs, the question number C, name the following. Okay, so please prepare all the questions. Okay, take care and thank you.